Once upon a time, a young boy named Jack lost his mother at a tender age. His father, grief stricken and struggling to raise Jack alone, eventually remarried a kind, caring woman named Sarah. At first, Jack was resentful and resistant to Sarah's presence in his life. He felt she was trying to replace his beloved mother and couldn't accept her as his new stepmother. Sarah, understanding Jack's pain and adjustment difficulties, approached him with patience, love, and understanding. She didn't try to replace his mother, but instead offered a supportive and nurturing presence. Slowly but surely, Jack began to open up to Sarah, sharing his feelings and memories of his mother. Sarah listened attentively, offering words of comfort and reassurance. As time passed, Jack grew to appreciate Sarah's kindness, guidance, and unwavering support. He realized she wasn't trying to replace his mother, but was there to help him heal and thrive. The bond between Jack and Sarah strengthened, and they formed a beautiful blended family with Jack's father. Jack learned that family isn't just about blood ties, but about love, acceptance, and support. Sarah proved that a stepmother can be a true source of strength, comfort, and inspiration, and Jack was grateful for her presence in his life. Phrasal verbs used in the story: tender age, young age, typically childhood or adolescence. She lost her mother at a tender age and was raised by her father. Grief stricken, it means overcome with deep sadness or sorrow. Example: he was grief stricken after his wife's passing and couldn't work for weeks. Resentful and resistant, it means feeling bitter or angry and opposing or defying someone. Example: she was resentful and resistant to her new stepmother's attempts to connect with her. Open up to, shared secrets or feelings with someone. Example: she was finally opened up to her therapist about her childhood trauma. Unwavering support, steady and unshakable backing or encouragement. Her family gave her unwavering support during her cancer treatment. Formed a beautiful blended family, created a harmonious and loving family with step siblings. Example: the couple formed a beautiful blended family with their combined 5 children.